Very good morning from London. Welcome to the European morning call for all our Talking Forex listeners. Starting then with the major overnight news, the Chinese year-on-year GDP number coming in for the third quarter lower than the previous at 9.1%, also lower than the expected. So the monetary policy tightening steps in China does look to be having the desired effect. On the back of that, there was some weakness in the dollar overnight. When we came in this morning, dollar index was down 0.25%, helping particularly support the euro-dollar and cable pairs. Elsewhere overnight, we saw the release of the minutes from the RBA's October meeting saying that the current policy stance remains appropriate. On the back of that, the Aussie currency was quite strong in overnight trade. However, as we moved into the European session, all the focus has been on France, particular on the comments from Moody's saying that they may place the AAA rating outlook onto negative in the next 3 months, given the mounting cost for France in the Eurozone bailouts and any possible extra costs in increasing the EFSF. On the back of that, euro-dollar has been particularly weak, the euro currency weaker across the board, euro-dollar trading below 137.00 now to the downside, and continued focus on the French-German 10-year government bond yield spread over bonds, which has hit its record high in the session. So to keep an eye out on any other French-related news in the session today. French banks in the equity space also under pressure. Looking elsewhere, cable, even though the dollar strength in recent trade has pulled cable lower, the sterling currency has been relatively strong compared to the euro, particularly if you're looking at the euro-sterling pair. That's in the run-up to the UK CPI data, which is expected to be higher than the previous, given that the current QE2 going on in the UK. Looking then, previously noted, we have got the UK CPI at 9.30, also looking out for the ZEW survey data out of Germany. Following that, we'll have the PPI data out of the US, with a raft of speakers due out of the ECB and the Fed today, with a keynote speech by Bank of England's Mervyn King at 8 o'clock London time. So a lot to focus on today in terms of speakers. But that's enough from me. Have yourselves a great trading day.